Hello, welcome to the Lutron stand here at IC 2010. My name is Stefan Saremba, and I'm with Lutron Electronics, and I'm very excited to present today one of our new introductions, the Graphic Eye QS lighting control product. The Graphic Eye QS product is a lighting control solution for single room application. So that could be your living and dining room combined, or it could be your home cinema. On the very first surface, it's a very simple and easy to maintain lighting controller that recalls different lighting scenes. So I can press a button and the light level changes. And one of the things that happens as well is that you can see the shade moves at the same time. So again, imagine you have a home cinema, you press the button movie, and the screens come down, the video projector turns on, and lights dim down, and then the movie starts. One of the big advantages of the system is that it's a very user-friendly system. In many systems, when you want to change or reconfigure something, you need some sort of laptop or programmer in order to do that. The Graphic Eye QS offers a very simple user interface where underneath this cover you find different lighting zones that you can regulate and then save to a certain preset. And you can do it directly from here. The same is true for the shades. So in this way you can set up your different presets for lights and for shades. Now, what is interesting for the audience here that integrate this is that we have an Ethernet IP RS-232 interface that allows this system to be connected to any outside system. So this could be a touch panel, this could be a projector, this could be any system that goes through the house, maybe an audio system, where you can send RS-232 commands to really recreate any function of the system from another device. And at the same time, you can get feedback, so you can pull information from the system and display it, for example, on your touch panel. So in this way, it really merges together the entire home automation with that system. One of the things we've introduced as well is more capabilities to use wireless control with the system. So we have this small device here called a Pico control that allows you to wirelessly communicate from this device to the Graphic Eye. So for example, you can raise and lower the shades from this device just by pressing the button here. A nice version of this is you can install it on the wall like a keypad. Now here, because you see there's no wires anywhere, you don't need a wire. So theoretically you can put this on a piece of furniture or on a glass wall because you don't need any wires, and the communication happens wirelessly between the two elements. For those of you who are familiar with lighting, over the last years, the #1 growing light source is LEDs. And I'm sure some of your customers have asked to integrate LEDs to make colorful light in a room, in an environment. Now we can integrate LEDs in multiple different ways, and one of them is to use a DMX interface. So what we can do in this scenario is we can map zones on our Graphic Eye with a DMX channel. So for example, on this Graphic Eye here, I have 3 zones, 3 red, green, and blue. So I have recreated RGB, and if I change the color, press this button, you can see on the top of the shade, the blue LED mix is on. I can select another scene from my Graphic Eye, and the color changes to red. So again, in a very simple format, without any programming, I can control LEDs, I can create colorful scenes, I can create a color sequence, and this really rounds off the package with the Graphic Eye QS capabilities in terms of the lights, LEDs, and integration with Ethernet. If you want more information on the Graphic Eye QS, any of the accessories, and all of our other Lutron products, you can find all the information on our website, www.lutron.com.